So for the following inequality, 3x minus 5y is greater than 10. To be able to graph an inequality that is in this form, I need to get my y by itself. So the first thing I want to do is I want to move everything over that does not have a y to the other side. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Once I've done that, I get negative 5y is greater than 10 minus 3x. The next thing is I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Okay? Now, once I've divided by negative 5, I get y. Now, I need to remember I divided by a negative. So my inequality switches. Okay? And so now I get 3/5, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive, minus 2. Okay, so now that I have this here, I can now graph it. And so what we did when looking at the graph is that we identified the y-intercept, then they went over, and now they took the slope. And so the slope is change in y over change in x. And so one thing they did is they went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They kind of sketched this 5 over, and then they went up 3 and drew the point there and connected the points. Okay? Now, what we need to understand is saying what happens to, because of the inequality here, how do I draw the line? Okay, since this is just greater, since this is a less than sign and there's no line underneath, I draw a dotted line. Okay? Now, because this is an inequality, I have to shade the area underneath the curve because I'm looking for my y. And so I want to shade the area underneath the curve. Okay? I want to shade the area underneath the curve. Boom. Okay? And so with inequalities, that's what I'm trying to do when I'm graphing. And what it's saying is that my answer has to be in the shaded region. Okay? And so that means my answer, I can take any blue dot. So my answer could be this one right here. Boom. My answer could be this point right here. Could be this point right here. This point right here. As long as it is in the region. And so like, if I took this point up here, which is green, that dot is not a solution because it's not in the region.